Hello friends, so I was facing very hard time and I didn't have money to pay for my rent. That was just 3 years ago. It was 2023 January. So I was asking myself like how can I get someone who can really help me to give me money that I can pay for my rent and to buy food and all that. At that time I didn't have this huge YouTube channel and it was very hard for me to have at least $50 in my pocket to have $100. So I was finding different ways that I can find money just to help me to survive. So I went on YouTube and I searched for free money, and for the first time I found this video from this YouTube creator who is called Odetta Rockert, and she explained like the ways that you can get free money online from rich people. Man, I was so excited and I was really happy to know that maybe if I tried out all this website, I can get free money. I can get at least $1,000 that can help me to start a business and to pay for my rent. At that time I was paying around $200 in 3 months. So I tried a different website that she mentioned, and I just came to understand one thing about free money. And in today's video I just want to be honest with you and I want to tell you like the truth about free money. And if right now you're facing maybe hard time just like me, or you are having this problem, you want this emergency money right now and you are looking out for a person that can give at least free money, or maybe you are looking for a website that can really help you to solve your problem, maybe you need to listen to me careful so that you can really understand which way to do and what really helps if you're looking out for free money. So this is the truth about free money. The word free money is very good, but the truth about free money that free money comes from giveaways, scholarship, and donations. It's not gonna be just free money, but you need to come up with the reason that you need this money because you're facing this and this. You need this money because you're sick. You need this money because you need money for school fees. So you need to explain first so that these people they can read your story and donate money for you. But also, there's no way that you go to this website and you get free money. No way. There are very few websites that are very special for donation so that you can join on this website, explain your problem, and after that there are a lot of people that may be touched by your any problem that you're facing maybe, so that these people can start donating money for you. So free money is another word of donation. It's not just free money, no, these are donation. At first I thought maybe it was just free money that you go to this website, you get $1,000 and you go. But the truth is you go to this website, explain your problem, and there are other people who may be touched by your problem and start to donate money for you. And other people are just going to give you $2, others are just going to give you $3, up to $10. Other people are just going to donate $1,000. So the amount of money, it always varies. It just depends on ability of a person to donate money for you. So this is the very first thing that you need to understand about free money. It's not just free money, it's donation, that people are donating money for you so you get money to solve your problem that you're facing right now. The other thing that I came to realize about this free money, there are a lot of scam websites. I was trying to look out for different websites, but I came to understand that other websites they want you to pay first so that you can get free money. So if you find any website like this that asks you to pay upfront money before getting anything, you need to understand that is a scam website. You don't have to pay for anything for you to receive donation. So you gotta be very careful about that. There are other websites that are very trusted and they can ask you to pay for this fee so that you can be a member of a particular website. But there are other websites they just ask you like you need to pay $100 for you to receive this money. You just got to be very careful about that because that can be very scamming website. So really donation website, they're not gonna need money from you. You're just gonna join on this website. Like you can just go ahead and join on GoFundMe and start your campaign, and maybe people can start, to donate money for you. Some methods about how to get this donation very fast, and I didn't know about this. Maybe I thought it was very easy to get free money, but there are other methods that you must pass it through so that your campaign can be seen. You need to have these platforms. You need to have this platform that you can share your campaign so that people can see your campaign on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, and they can go through that link and start to donate money for you. So this is another thing that I didn't know, that you also need to have this ability to share your campaign, to share what you really want, and to make sure that your campaign is seen worldwide. So you can just share to your platforms, or you can ask these influencers and these creators that they have huge following to share your campaign, so that your campaign can be seen by huge audience and they can feel the need to donate money for you. So this is the truth that I didn't know before about free money. So the other truth is that you need to be consistent and smart. Asking donation, it needs to be very, very smart, because there are a lot of people with problem. Not everyone is willing to help just anyone they see on the internet. You just gotta come up with this reasonable story that can motivate a person to donate money for you. And free money is not just coming from rich people. Free money can come from people that they are touched by your story. It doesn't matter if they are rich, they're just in a bad condition just like you. They were touched by your story and they just wanted to help something for you. So this is the truth about free money. But also, you gotta be very consistent. You gotta be posting this campaign. You gotta be sharing this campaign to different creators, to different platforms, so that your campaign can be seen and can be noticed, and at the end of the time, maybe people can really be able to donate money for you. So this is the truth about free money. I tried too many methods about getting free money. The only way that really helped me, that I created a YouTube video on my channel. I was explaining like what I was passing through, and there was this person that was really interested and wanted to help me. She gave me $2,000, and that was the first time that I received online help. And after that, I never received any online help. And as you can see right now, I can say that my life has changed in a very good way. I started this YouTube channel and now I get paid through this YouTube channel. So if you're looking for these donations, at the same time, I would advise you, it's way better for you to find out the other way that you can start doing to generate income. It can be content creation, it can be affiliate marketing, it can be different side hustles. Just do anything that you think it can be very good for you to get something on the table. So thanks so much, and I really hope that this video is going to help you. Thank you.